Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. American data points to the soft landing the US Fed has been looking for, as it seems to have successfully navigated the inflation transition. US mortgage applications had a rare rise last week and mortgage interest rates were unchanged, but the rise was as much about the year-ago base as any strength this year. And American producer prices fell in October in something of a surprise retreat, but it was driven by lower fuel prices, so that is a definite upside. It is a good result that indicates the American inflationary impulse was probably past. And retail sales there decreased by 0.1% in October from September, putting an end to a 6-month streak of increases. But at least it was much less than the market expectations of a 0.3% decline, so they've held up better than analysts expected. Year on year, they're up 2.7%. In the US Congress, the Republicans recently installed a new leader in the House of Representatives, and his big test was shepherding a budget funding bill through that body. He succeeded, but only with overwhelming Democrat support. But the net impact of yesterday's vote is that shutdown pressures have evaporated till the next time, probably in early February 2024. In Japan, their economy shrank 0.5% in the third quarter of 2023 from the second quarter, worse than market forecasts of a 0.1% decline, and after a 1.1% growth in the second quarter. This was the first quarterly GDP contraction since the fourth quarter of 2022. It was sluggish private consumption that caused the pullback, and that was a surprise because intervening data didn't signal such a drop. And retail sales in China were little changed in October from September, but were up an impressive 7.6% from a year ago, which says more about the weak year-ago base than anything else. In Europe, September data for industrial production looks kind of awful, no matter which way you look at it. Declines everywhere. The US Treasury 10-year yield is up 8 basis points from yesterday, now at 4.55%, a bounce from yesterday's dump. And the price of gold will start today at $1,961 an ounce. That's down $2 from yesterday. And oil prices softened $1.50 overnight to be just under $77.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is down to $81.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60.3 US cents and up almost 0.5 cent from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're up to 92.5 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also up to 55.5 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 69.6 and a net 40 basis points higher. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do